Hey YouTube, the next generation of iPhone 13 5G glass panel shows off rumored small notch. Apple has made no changes to the notch since it was first introduced on the iPhone 10 in 2017, despite releasing 3 more iPhone generations. But with the iPhone 13 5G, that could be about to change. According to a new leak that has been obtained from Mac Rumors, photos of the alleged iPhone 13 glass panel from a geek device repair provider, iRepair. The panel comes in a current size of 5.4 inches, 6.1 inch and 6.7 inches and shows off an updated notch design. Apple appears to have moved the in-ear speaker to the edge of the stainless steel aluminum frame to free up space inside the notch that in turn have been used to create a more compact Face ID layout, resulting in reduction of the notch width but not the height. Whether or not Apple ends up using this updated notch design on the final iPhone 13 5G model will remains to be seen, but today leaks is simply the latest in line of the reports that claims Apple is planning a small notch for its 2021 iPhone lineup. Even the analyst Ming-Chi Kuo, who has an extremely accurate track record, believes that Apple is reading some of the updated notch design for its next generation of iPhone set to launch in September. Long term, this new notch could just be a small stepping stone for Apple. Mi Chung Kuo also claimed earlier this year that some 2020 iPhone would have a punch hole display like the rival Samsung. Aside from smaller notch, Apple iPhone 13 5G series is rumored to offer the in-display Touch ID, upgraded cameras, larger batteries, and the upcoming A15 Bionic chipset. The Pro models could benefit from 120Hz of ProMotion display too. We have to wait and see a couple of months before the launch of the next generation of iPhone 13, which notch is going to be present on the iPhone 13 model. Anyhow, let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. What do you think about the notch on the iPhone 13 device? Subscribe to the channel if you're new here. Thanks for watching. Peace.